dig in.
You gotta have a plate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Kind of bread.
Pita.
Everything is not spicy.
เดี๋ยวจะเอาน้ำปลาพริกมาให้นะคะ
Crap. They're going to give you chili.
ผัดกะเพรา classic dish มีพริก
Chili.
These big chunks of pork are so good, so flavorful.
Yeah.
Gonna take my dad tubing for the first time. Jesse, have you been tubing?
Raging Waters.
Raging Waters.
Yeah.
Raging water.
I went once at the American River.
Put it on the bottom here. Yeah.
Okay, we are here.
There we go.
We're tubing.
Do I hold in your hand?
Yeah, you want to. We could flow more together. One happy family. We're doing the sober version of tipsy tubing.
Woo! Oh, you go first. This is
Really?
I got you.
Tubin.
Hello.
Tubin.
I'm going to push.
Oh no!
Be good. I'm good. I don't have to do it.
Fun times, huh? Come to Pi, sip water tubes, down the river.
Yeah, and then you do like fast forward.
Yeah. Just another day, tubing in Pi. It's nice and relaxing. In Thailand. With my dad and my husband and this other guy.
The middle one.
Moo. That was fun. Kind of anticlimactic. The end. Well, the tubing went very well. We ended up going from upstream all the way downstream. Everybody had fun, right?
Yeah.
We'll do it again. If you don't drink alcohol, don't go on Tuesdays or Fridays. But if you do, you can go then. Really fun, smooth. We had a little private guy following us, making sure to save us. Yep, he led us to a safe place. And yeah, let's see what's next. Cheers.
Fresh orange.
Fresh squeezed orange juice. Do you want to try? How about you?
That's good.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. No sugar.
Natural sugar. Breakfast and pie.
So good.
Breakfast and pie.
plastic. Look at, look like plastic.
Oh, right here.
Oh.
Right here. Look
See that,
plastic,
Dad?
but they're not
There's one more here.
plastic. Really?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, yeah, but this one green. One brown.
They're camouflage. Look at their claws.
Yeah.
Sit. Bye-bye.
One of my.
Oh, you got an affogato.
What is that?
You got it, yeah.
Is that chocolate or coffee? Okay.
Yeah. Affogato. Cheers.
Boy, they're right. That is
Ooh.
good. That is
Ooh.
good. Mayo,
Yeah.
food, like
Try some. It's good.
tasty.
Doesn't feel burnt at all.
Yeah.
You know?
They're right. They're right. They put in that thing is right. Coffee. Like real
Perfect.
flavor.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
when you go get ice cream coffee,
Ooh.
Yeah.
you see like ice cream
Fire.
with coffee.
Yeah, do?
Oh,
Ooh. So maybe we'll come back then.
you're right. You're right.
Wow.
Because the beans are different
Have more.
here.
Yeah.
That's so.
Dampo.
So you see how like this is like how this town is?
Mhm.
So like in the big town and like it's like this up there.
Nice. Nothing much.
I got a Bodie dollar man.
Bodhi tree.
Bodie tree.
We're at Sinam Hot Springs with my dad and Jesse.
That is me.
It's so peaceful here and so clear. Look at the water.
Yeah, you can see the bottom.
Look at this. Oh,
Wait, let me do this.
check my hand.
Okay. Very clear. So clear. All the minerals. I'm happy we came here. It's not hot at all. Perfect.
Just right.
Perfect temperature.
Yep.
Listening to Jungle Boy stories.
Yeah.
We are now leaving the hot springs. Time to get some lunch. We made a new friend today, Chris. Say hello.
All right. We're back in action. Mineral water. It's fire.
Alright, so we were craving some papaya salad and chicken. So we're here at this very popular spot. It's a self-service restaurant for the grilled chicken. สวัสดีเจ้า สบายดีไหม สบายดี สบายดี โอเค โอเคค่ะ โอเคค่ะ
Come here.
How you doing?
It's good.
Yeah, should we get number 2023?
123, you have they're small or large? So-
Large. On herbs?
Short
Yeah, they're
supply
short.
demand. That's okay.
They're
We
short.
just eat light and then
Yeah.
we eat all the stuff. We'll
Hell
be okay.
yeah.
Fine.
Oh yeah, let's get it.
Let's
Get it.
Let's get it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh,
What's up with the flies?
is it approved? Is it approved by Papa
Wow.
Chow?
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay. Chicken
Yeah, this is
papaya
loud,
salad.
loud. Here, put it. Make room.
This is the Lao papaya salad.
Tam Lao.
Tam Lao.
ไอ้ตำไทย
Tam Thai. Okay.
ตำปูหรือไทย
And you get your own herbs. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Lao one. Just dipped it. Dip it in. Oh yeah. The flavor is unbelievable.
Yeah.
So what would you rate that? A what?
10.
So many 10 out of 10 places.
Just gonna rate food. I'll come here again. I won't come here again. I think I learned from a really wise guy, Mr. Davis. And at the end of the day, I understand that this is people's living. And who am I to say that something is good or bad? I'll just say if I'll come here, not again.
Right?
So
Maybe that's the name out of my thing. 10 out of 10.
think you'll come again or not come again.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. สบายดี She's like, get out my face. Also, there's a parking lot across the street. Let's do it. That was bomb.
Yeah.
What should we have for dessert?
We don't know. We
Just go
drive into town and whatever.
What a simple life.
Yeah, whatever.
Just drive into
Yeah,
town.
and doesn't cost arm and leg, you know.
That was 300 baht.
Oh, really?
That's a big restaurant too.
I know. 10 baht for 3 people, like $3 each
100
for
baht
lunch.
for lunch?
Good.
What?
Unreal.
Thailand. All right, getting in the truck. Oh, snacks.
Look. Yummy.
What is this called?
You have all your rings, right?
It's in the backpack.
Nom tham muon.
Nom tamon.
Tham muon.
No, nom tamon.
Tham muon.
Tasty. Sweet. Jesse?
I'm okay, baby.
You're missing out. You're missing out. Let's get a zoomed view on the DJI. DJI.
Sand.
So cool. I love Pi so far. It's fun. It's very chill.
Oh, down there, look.
Hey, 400 baht per. How much did you get today?
400? No, it's supposed to be 250.
No.
50?